You're not losing strength because of age. You're losing deep muscle control. Most workouts don't fix that. They just add stress to your joints. Shaolin monks trained differently. No endless reps, no joint damage, just isometric holds that build real strength and bulletproof stability. Do these 5 Shaolin holds and rebuild pain-free strength with zero impact on your joints. Number 1. The hollow body hold. A strong core is not about visible muscles. For those over 50, it's about spinal survival. As we age, the deep muscles around your spine simply fall asleep. This leaves your lower back unprotected and stiff. The hollow body hold is the ultimate on switch. Instead of doing sit-ups that strain your neck, this hold locks your ribs to your pelvis, protecting your discs and restoring the deep control you had decades ago. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back. Press your lower back into the floor so there's no gap. Slowly lift your legs and shoulders just a few inches off the ground. If your back starts to arch, tuck your knees slightly towards your chest. Aim for 60 seconds. If you start to shake, that's your nervous system waking up. Number 2. The bear crawl hold. Do you ever feel clumsy or heavy when you move? It's because your body isn't working as one piece. You move your arms and legs, but the connection between them is weak. This is why simple movements can suddenly result in a pulled muscle. The bear crawl hold forces your shoulders, core, and hips to work as one single unit. It makes you steady, coordinated, and keeps you from pulling a muscle during simple daily tasks. Here's how to do it. Get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Tuck your toes and lift your knees just 1 inch off the floor. Keep your back flat. Hold for 60 seconds. Feel everything tighten up? That's your body becoming one solid unit again. Number 3. The horse stance. This is the Shaolin foundation. In the East, they say you are only as young as your legs are strong. When your hips get stiff from sitting and your thighs lose their power, your knees and back have to do all the work. That's where the pain starts. The horse stance is a joint opener. It demands massive strength from your glutes and quads while forcing your hips into a position of active mobility. It builds the root that keeps you walking and moving with total confidence. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointing forward or slightly out. Sink your hips down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your chest up and your spine long. Aim for 60 seconds. Your legs will burn, but don't stop. That's where your foundation gets stronger again. Number 4. The Shaolin wall push. Want to stay strong, but your joints hate heavy weights? Use the wall. You can get maximum strength without moving a single joint. It's the fastest way to wake up every muscle in your upper body without the grinding pain of lifting. It's pure strength with almost no joint stress. Here's how to do it. Stand facing a solid wall. Place your hands on it at chest height and step your feet back. Now try to push the wall over with everything you've got. Don't move. Just drive all your power through your palms for a few seconds of maximum effort. And don't hold your breath. Keep breathing throughout the hold. Do 6 sets of 10 seconds of maximum effort. You're teaching your brain that your muscles still need to be powerful and reactive. Number 5. The wall sit. While the horse stance builds the foundation, the wall sit is the ultimate defense for your knees. It strengthens the tendons and ligaments around the kneecap without the impact. If you want to keep hiking, traveling, and playing with your grandkids into your 80s, you need bulletproof knees. This hold builds the specific endurance that prevents the stiffness that usually comes with age. Here's how to do it. Lean your back against a flat wall and slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Keep your weight in your heels and your back glued to the wall. Aim for 60 seconds. This is where you build the strength that keeps you independent for decades. Now, here's how to combine these 5 Shaolin holds into a simple 5-minute routine you can do every day. Start with hollow body hold for 1 minute. Next, move into bear crawl hold for 1 minute. After that, go straight into the horse stance for 1 minute. Follow with 6 sets of the wall push, 10 seconds each, and finish with the wall sit for 1 minute. The wall sit is one of the most important holds for long-term knee health. If you want to master it and keep your knees strong for life, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.